Hi, we are here in the one bedroom at Faina condominium hotel, and why here is the one bedroom face to the city, and we are going to show you right now the bed. That's marble, and here's the shower. It's amazing new unit, and here's the bed with marble too. Everything is marble. Great unit. So we are in the living room right now. The living room here is big for one bedroom, and you have face to the west, which is the face downtown and canal, and also there is a ocean view, partial ocean view right here with the balcony. So you have a both sides choice to the view to enjoy the beautiful weather here in Miami. So this is one bedroom. Thank you.